Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to show how we can download GB WhatsApp in Android phone. So you can follow my all steps. Before moving further, like and share this video, subscribe our YouTube channel and also click on bell icon for upcoming videos. So let's start it without wasting any time. Sometimes we search GB WhatsApp on Play Store but not showing exact application. As you can see that we type GB WhatsApp but the exact result was not shown. So overcome this problem, go to Chrome or any other browser and search GB WhatsApp download. Then at the top link was shown, but sometimes the exact link was not open and GB WhatsApp was not download in your mobile. So I provide this link in description box so you can easily download GB WhatsApp. Now click at the top of the link. As you can see the interface of gbwhatsapp.net. Now scroll down and also you can read the details and instructions of GB WhatsApp. You can see the click on download GB WhatsApp APK option. Click on it. After clicking on it, you can see the options of download GB WhatsApp. Then click on first option. If the first option is not working in your mobile, then click on second option, download GB WhatsApp server 2. I choose first way, then I click on download. Here you can see the warning message that this file might be harmful. So it's your option to download this application or not. Warning message will be appear on the screen because sometime in GB WhatsApp there was privacy issue and such other issues. But the benefit is that there are a lot of features to use. Click on download anyway. Now here you can see the notification of download file. Now it's downloading complete. Open the file of GB WhatsApp and click on install. It makes little time to installing this app. Now you can see that app is installed. Click on GB WhatsApp app. Click on agree and continue and create your own account. Thank you for watching this video.